This video might be short, but this is very important, especially for my content creators that want to take content serious in 2026. Now we are in 2026, and the only thing you should do for yourself is just understanding the simple tricks on how content creating works and how you can actually navigate content creating. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? If this is the first time tuning in, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now, I am going to be talking about some of the important things that can actually elevate your content creating, especially on YouTube. You have played with 2024, you have played with 2025. Now you have spent years and years, you have not been able to achieve your goal. Now, why do you need to achieve your goal? Or what are the things that you need to do to achieve your goal? The number one thing you should be doing is getting a mic. This is very, very important for content creators. Like I said, you really do not need to break a bank to get this. You can just get the smaller ones, the ones that are not that expensive. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So that your voice can be now you're listening to me talking, you're happy. There are a lot of noise happening in my background, but you can literally see that this video don't have so much noise coming because this mic literally denoise a whole lot, and that is why I love it. The second thing you should be able to do to really help yourself is to get yourself a tripod. A tripod is very important for content creators. Please stop the act of putting your videos where your videos will literally be shaking east, west, north, and south. As you are watching this video and I'm talking to you directly, I believe you are happy. So why always putting your camera and your camera is shaking? Imagine you're doing vlogs and the vlogs is not even captivating. The vlog is not even an interactive. The vlog is just having one issue or the other just because you do not have a tripod. And you've been creating content for the past 3, 4, 5 years, or you started just 1 year ago or 6 months. At least get the most important thing. The third thing I'm going to advise you to get is to get a ring light, or if you cannot afford the ring light, you can afford the influencer light. Right now I am not even filming with ring light. I'm filming with just small influencer light, and I got this influencer light for 15,000 naira. So this is affordable for a lot of you, that you can now attach it to your phone. I'm not even using my camera to film. I'm using my Android phone, Techno to be precise, to film this video. At least the quality is not too great, but the quality is also not too bad. These are the things you should look into. Then in 2026, if you are not ready to put in the consistency on YouTube, I wonder where you're literally going to be ready. I've said it and I will continue to say it. YouTube is one platform that pays a whole lot. In my next video, I'm going to be revealing to you guys how much I was able to earn from my highest view video. I have a video of 700 and something thousand views. I'm going to take my time to expose every single thing I was able to get from just one video, so that you guys can see that this content creating things, we are not here to joke. YouTube pays. So you need to master the act of consistency. You need to master the act of putting out content. You need to master the act of telling yourself, I need to do this as a content creator. I need to be consistent. I need to upload. I need to know what is trending. In fact, this 2026, I am back. And I am not just back. I am back that me and you, we are going to be working ourselves step by step on how we can start making money from YouTube. If you're already making money from YouTube, how we can make more money. You know me already. My name is Vibe Sonia. I bring all the vibes on your table without leaving any sadness. But anyways, I'm going to stop here for today because this is just like my welcoming New Year video for you guys. Get all these equipment and thank me later. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share, because you see this channel, it's gonna be hot. Okay, bye for now, guys. I love you guys. With no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos. Bye bye. Mwah.